ghost of summer. Hello, welcome. Nice to see you guys. Are so excited to see me again. I'm so excited to see you. Hello, chat. Hello, do babies. What's up, do babies? No, that's not the name. Sorry. Yeah. A chat name reveal. Finally! It's been 12 years. Summer's not over yet, right? One more week. Do babies. No, stop.
This whole operation was your idea.
How's my dog? Yeah, my dog, actually she was going to get surgery, but I didn't trust the vet, kind of. So I'm taking her to a specialist. So, kind of waiting on that. But, yeah, she's gonna be in good hands. It's for her teeth. Dog teeth. No, the vet wasn't too bad. It's just, she's really small, so they were like, if there's any complications, you know, we'll stop and then we'll refer you to a specialist. And I'm like, well, I don't know. I've been saving my streamer money. I might as well use it for for something like this, because, you know, it's important. It's important.